Hi, my name is Carlo. I had my driving instructor John from D-Tech, and I took my driving test at Richmond today, and I passed first try, and I couldn't do this without him.
Hi, my name is Shantae and I'm living in Elara. I took a lesson with D-Tech driver training and I passed on my first go here at Richmond RTA.
For anyone who wants to, just drive and take driving lessons, I highly recommend John. He's really good, he's really calm, and he's really easy to talk to.
I just want to say thank you D-Tech driver training.